1. Back at 25 again, we've talked about the process, we talked about the pricing, we've talked about what they provide. Lisa Endenbach and Richard are with me now. There's a new procedure, not so new, but it's very popular. I keep hearing about it. Lisa, included in the monthly price.
Yes, a lot of orthopedic offices will use it. A lot of urology offices will use it because it's good for joint pain. It's good for erectile dysfunction.
We're talking about acoustic wave
device
therapy,
yes.
right? Yeah,
but I'm not the expert in that. That's
no,
why we
Richard.
brought Richard.
That's right. But that's included. Lisa's important because
yes,
they charge
yes.
thousands of dollars for this, and now it's included in your monthly price. Yes. Tell me what this thing does, Richard.
Well, ultimately, what it does is it produces an acoustic wave. The acoustic waves help break down plaque, adhesion, scar tissue.
So as simple as if I just had my elbow issue, you would just kind of rub that.
Well, we'd use an ultrasound gel to make it conductive, and ultimately what I would do is I would hold it in different positions of your anatomy in order to treat you properly and help break down any type of issues that you're having in there.
And this also helps with erectile dysfunction. Tell me about that.
It does. It's highly successful in doing that. I'm proud to say we have a 99.9% success rate in treating our patients.
That's unbelievable.
Correct, and it's very satisfying because you have people come in that have a pretty serious problem that not only affects them but affects their relationship, and to take them from 0 to 100 is very satisfying.
You're busy all day with that thing, aren't you? It's
we are jam-packed. Friday is already completely booked. We're working through lunch, and we're all working as a team to take care of our team members and patients and team members.
Come see Richard. The acoustic thing works. 99%
Absolutely.
Success rate. Lisa, thank you so much. It's
Thank
been a
you
great
so
day.
much. Good to see
Call
you.
the phone number. You get 4 great services under one price. Get the appointment, get the blood work. Let's find out where you are. Weight loss, hormone replacement, primary care, and acoustic wave, all under one price at 25 again. Offices in Southern Indiana and in Louisville. So come by and see us, and let's get healthier. Let's have a great summer.
Let's do it.
Okay.
Absolutely.
25 again.
Thanks, guys. Nicely done. All right.